What's up, everybody? Tonight we're making a roasted garlic hummus. So, cheers and let's cook. First thing I'm going to do is roast my garlic. For that, I have my oven preheating to 400 degrees, and then I'll just cut the tips off of all these cloves of garlic from a head of garlic. Discard those. I'm going to take my head of garlic, place it onto some tinfoil, drizzle that with a little olive oil. I'm just going to wrap that up in the tinfoil, make a little pocket. And that is going to go in to the 400-degree oven for about 40 minutes until it's nice and soft. Garlic was in the oven for 40 minutes. Open that up, and that looks beautiful. So I'll just take that. I did let that cool down for a couple minutes too, so I wouldn't burn my fingers. Now we're just going to squeeze it. Get all that beautiful roasted garlic out of there. Be careful, it's still a little warm. Look at that. Now we're cooking. Time to put it all together. It is time to put together our hummus. I'm going to go into my food processor with two 15-ounce cans of chickpeas. I strained those, just rinsed them off. Got our garlic, a third of a cup of tahini, have a quarter cup of extra virgin olive oil, half a teaspoon of cumin. I'm going to squeeze in the juice of one lemon. And just strain that to catch any seeds. Squeeze in the other half. Now I got some water. I'm going to go in with about 2 tablespoons. I got about 3 tablespoons here or so. We'll start with 2. And if we need it to smooth it out later, we'll add some more. Okay. Let's get her spinning, get it nice and smooth. I almost forgot. We got to add 2 teaspoons of salt to that as well. Throw that in now. Finish blending it up. Let's see what we got. That looks pretty good. I used about 4 tablespoons of water in there, and I did add another teaspoon of salt, so it's about 1 tablespoon of salt altogether, and 4 tablespoons of water to get it to that consistency. Time to plate it up. To finish our hummus, I'm just going to drizzle a little extra virgin olive oil over the top. Hit that with a little fresh parsley and a little flake salt. I'm going to serve that with some warm pita, and we will be ready to eat. We have some delicious hummus here that is packed with flavor, super healthy. I hope you guys enjoyed. Also, the possibilities with this are endless. You could just add roasted red peppers, whatever you want, switch it up, make it your own. Hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget, hit that like and subscribe. You just click that little picture of me in the corner, and I'll see you next time. Cheers. I got really awkward there at the end, but I hope you enjoyed. I already said that.